Today we are in one of my favorite corners of my kitchen because I want to share with you a natural way that you can descale your electric kettle. So I just purchased this one for my birthday not too long ago because I really enjoy making French press coffee when I'm not in the mood or when I run out of Nespresso pods. So I normally use my electric tea kettle to make my French press coffee. So it's been about maybe a little over 2 months since I got my electric tea kettle, and I need some descaling for it to function properly. So I'm going to show you a natural way. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post. Okay, so this is what you're going to need to descale your electric kettle. So you're going to need vinegar, you're going to need a cup, and you're gonna need water. So you're gonna do equal parts of white distilled vinegar and water. You're gonna pour it into your electric kettle, and then you're gonna turn it on for it to boil. Once it starts boiling, you're gonna let the water with the vinegar sit in the kettle once it's done boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes to an hour, depending on how dirty your electric kettle is. And then you're gonna pour that out and then just rinse it all. So the reason why you need the vinegar is because that's gonna help descale the lime that's in the aluminum of the kettle. That's gonna lift it all up, and then the steam's gonna help just remove everything. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and show you how to do all this. So now we just wait. I just started it, so it's there. I'm gonna let it sit. Once it boils, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not gonna wait too long just because it hasn't been that long since I got it and since I've been using it. So I don't think it's not that dirty. It doesn't need a whole lot of descaling, but I just want to take care of it because I really love my electric kettle. So I want to maintain it as much as possible. Okay, so it stopped boiling already, and the reason why it was so fast is because I only put a little bit of water, just because my electric kettle is glass and then only the bottom is aluminum, so I didn't need to fill it all the way up. If you have a electric kettle that's all aluminum, then you definitely want to fill it all the way up, maybe like half vinegar and then half water, so that it can descale the whole entire kettle. But like I said, mine's only at the bottom, so I only put a little bit, so it didn't take much to boil. So now, like I said, I'm gonna let it sit there for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it out, and then it should be ready for my coffee. Been a little over 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. I'm just gonna dump this and then just rinse it out. I'm actually pouring it over my French press. Just to clean this out a little bit. I don't know if it'll help. Oh, I wish I would have shown a before picture. Wow, but it looks really clean. Look at that. I totally forgot to do a before picture. I suck at before pictures, y'all. Seriously. I always forget because I get so excited, but it looks so clean. But I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out. No vinegary smell, so that's good. But it's all good to go now. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, now time for coffee. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new ways to clean in a safe, non-toxic way. Vinegar has been my frenemy, I would say, because I know its potential and I know its power, but the smell was what kind of kept me from using it. But I started using it a lot more now around my home. I'm using it in the laundry now. and I learned a new way to descale my electric kettle here, a natural way too. So I love it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and use it to clean out my sink. I hope you all enjoy. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.